favorite job is sanding because I'm not very good at it. And yeah, so we'll find out if they actually accept my job. My sanding passed the test, at least for an outhouse. Well, today's a fun day. We got to put the stain on. So we have a cedar stain with the red roof and the bunkie coming together. And as soon as you get it in the sun, it starts darkening. So that's why we have to stain it right away. So applying the stain, what I've learned is to put your bigger amount first strokes in the middle and then go out to the extremities, and then you feather it this way so that when you come at it with your on the other side, there's no lines. Because it's a stain, I have to keep mixing it all the time, or else we'll get an uneven stain. So I start a little bit away from where I was last time and then I feather it in. That's what I've been told. So that's what I'm attempting to do.